Consider this video as your sign to book a photo shoot sesh with your friends. Tara guys, uban na mi karon sa K Studios. K Studios is located at Mamay Road and in front lang gyud siya sa Golden Homes. And here's a quick tour of the place. Pagsulod pa lang nimo guys, makakita na ka og photo sa mga influencers na naka-try na dire. By the way, I love this mirror. Anyway, this is their price list guys. Feel free to pause it na lang. So aside from a photo shoot sesh, pwede sa DA mo mag-cake decorating dire and at the same time pwede sad mo mag-decorate sa inyong own wooden frame. For today's video, I'm here with my friends Mosang and KPC Daily. Nagsabot demi guys na mag-white may o, diba prepared? They have different props na pwede ninyo gamiton. And I just want to emphasize guys na grabe ka spacious sa ilang studio. To the point na pwede dyan mo mag-tumbling-tumbling dire, charot. As for the background guys, in fairness, daghan kayong colors ang pwede mapilian. And you can also make use of the chairs and of whatever props they have. So pwede ka mag-aura-aura lang dira. Aside from getting the hard copies of your photos, you can actually have your own wooden frame decorated here. Pero the activity na we chose to do is mag-decorate sa amo ang own cake. And in fairness, they have so many different toppings to choose from. To be honest guys, I really had fun decorating this cake. Nice po siya na bonding activity with your family and friends. O diba, nalingaw lang kung butang-buta ug maski unsa sa amo ang cake guys. And syempre, pwede sa din yun ni apilon sa inyuhang photoshoot. O diba, kuyaw na kayo ang among photos kay apil na pagyud ang cake. Karon guys, gusto na ninyo magpa-photoshoot no? Unsa pa'y ginahulat, tara na sa K Studios.